If you haven't used Loom yet, Loom is a fantastic tool. It's basically a screen recording software that will allow you to go all the way through, your screen with you in one corner, kind of like what I do in these YouTube videos. And for me, I use that to provide updates to clients with an email update so they understand like why I'm designing things, why I put something there, and maybe some questions that I want to ask them. And often people will also embed Looms onto like a sales page where people can see views, reactions, they can scroll through. There's an animated thumbnail and they use that on the sales pages to bring it to life a bit. I use it on my sales page for Six Figure Design Club. Link to that will be in the description, sixfiguredesign.club. Anyway, I digress. If you want to actually embed it onto a page on Squarespace, well, how do you do it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it super quick. In fact, the actual showing of how to do it will probably be shorter than this intro. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right now, you join me on Loom. So this is my Loom library, and you can see I record Looms all the time. I've got almost 2,000 videos in there, and I'll record these for clients. I will record them for friends if they need assistance with a site or whatever. And I'll do like a recorded meeting, and then I'll do like recorded trainings when I hand over to clients. But I also embed these on Six Figure Design Club. So for those of you who don't know, I have a course where I teach web designers how to scale their business to 100K in less than 12 months. And you can see the Loom embed here. So along the bottom, you can see people leaving reactions, you can see people commenting, you can see the title, how long it is, how many views it's had, and then you can actually go to the page itself. It's got an animated thumbnail, and you can click if you're on Squarespace, and you can see the video actually plays. It's a really cool software, and I use it all the way through. I don't use it on the video testimonials, but if we go down here, I think I've got 2 more. And it's just really engaging for users because they can see title, length, views. They can select to play it faster, slower, and it's animated. So it brings people, or it engages people a lot more. So if you want to do this on your site, let's use this for instance. So I'll just copy the link of the video. Now, all we need to do is, and I'll use Six Figure Design Club as the example, we'll create a new page. So click on here, click on blank page, and then we'll go into edit. So once we're in edit, we're just going to add a normal blank section, add a block, and then we're going to add an embed. So click on embed, size it to however you want, and double click on the block. All we then need to do is add the link. So that link is now added, successfully located, and boom, there we go. You can obviously resize this however you wish, but all you need to do is copy, paste the link, and once you're happy, just hit save and you're good to go. You've got this really engaging video embedded really easily, completely for free on your website. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.